Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to start my second tutorials about landing page design using WordPress and Elementor Page Builder without any coding skill. And this tutorial will be very helpful for beginner level. So let's get started. In the first tutorial we have finished from top to this section, and we are following this landing page, and we have finished this part. So now I want to start the second part from we have finished this part from here, from top to right here, and we're going to start from here. So let's get started. We don't want to lose our time, so I'm going to click on the home page and going to click on the edit with Elementor. Then we start to building our website or design this layout. So first we will take a heading and subheading. So waiting to load the full Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so now going to click on add new section, then one row, and click on the plus icon. Then we are search heading, then drag and drop right here, and in the heading section we will put this title, then going to add this subtitle. Just copy and paste. It's super easy. We no need to any coding skill. I always say that you no need any coding skill. Okay, we have did, and now we need to change the separator color. So I'm going to click on the separator, then separator style, and find the separator style solid. Also you can use other separator style from here. So I like to use solid or dotted, and I'm going to use solid. Now going to click on the style, then I like to set the this title alignment in the center. Okay, it's center right now. So I don't want to make it clean and work on the typography right now. I just want to set up the full template, full page. Then I go to start work on typography and make it clean up and more professional like this one. So we have finished this part. Now going to add this section. So I'm going to click on the add new section and 3 row, 3 column. Click here, then going to add a icon box right here. Click on the plus icon, then icon. Here the icon box. When I type in the icon in the search box, the icon box come up here, and just drag and drop this icon box right here, and we add the text from here, fitness sticker and content from here, and we'll add an icon from icon directory, clock. Going to use this one, then we add this one. So the quick and easiest way is to let me make this one on the float right, float right, content, alignment. Okay, alignment plot, right? And now I'm going to make the duplicate this icon box. Then we can easily change or add this one, hard monitor, and add this content. It's super easy, I think. Now we add a icon relevant hard, this one, good. And now we are going to add a image like this one. So I'm going to use this image directly in the development section. So going to click on the middle row column and just click on the icon, plus icon, then drag and drop the image from here. Then we will upload this image in the media library. I have uploaded. Okay, now I need to make this image position in the center, vertical align. Click on here and vertical align middle. Okay, and image size full. Okay, and now I'm going to duplicate this one again and drag and drop in the right side. I'm going to edit, click on the content, then left. Wow. And now going to add this text. It is super easy. You can draw any design without any coding skill. And need a relevant icon, battery. Search in the battery. Then going to duplicate this one again and add text from here. Alarm curve. Alarm clock. Alarm clock, this one. Okay, so we have finished this section also. Now I need to add padding here, so I'm going to click on the section edit icon. I'm going to add padding, style, advanced padding, top 50 pixel, bottom 50 pixel. Okay, and now going to click on the update. Okay, so we needed to check our design right now. I'm going to check in the home page. Well, we have did this one, and now we need to add a next section. So this is the next section. We have to work here. So I'm going to add this section. Just add new section, add 2 row, make this full width, add image right here in the left side. Going to copy this. I have to download this image, save as, and now going to add this image here, add image, drag and drop this image right here. insert, and now we need to add content. Copy this content and add search heading, drag and drop the heading add-ons, add the heading here, add content here, description, okay, and we need to make this content in the center position, so I'm going to click on the edit column and vertical align middle, and as okay, so we have did this one, we have done. Now on the next we have to add a button here, so going to click search a button right here, and button text purchase now, button text purchase now, button type success, warning danger, okay, okay, and now going to add another section, pricing table section. So we'll add a pricing table section here, then we'll add contract as from. Okay, so now I'm going to add a pricing plan and option. So before that I'm going to update. Okay, I have updated. So we're ready to work in this section. Add new section and add this structure, and in the left structure we'll add text and content and a button, then title, heading, text description, then we add a button, and of course there we don't need any separator, so I'm going to hide this separator, this one, hide separator, and now we need to add a button, so I'm going to drag and drop this button text will be discover more, and danger or info, anything, okay, and then we need to add more, add a little bit text here, so going to click on here, then we'll add a little bit text right here, okay, and let me make a space here, advanced setting, top padding 50 pixel, bottom padding 50 pixel. Okay, now we need to add pricing table, so I'm going to click on the plus icon right here and search the table, pricing table, and drag and drop this table here. Okay, and we have to design, or we can design our table from here. So I'm going to pricing tag, pricing picture will be list, and pricing header basic pricing tag, and here the pricing picture, and of course there will be a pricing picture icon. So going to add icon, okay. Then going to duplicate this one and add others, content, silent element, and finally add this item. Going to duplicate this one to add another. Okay, then we need to add a button, purchase now. So button, purchase now. Okay, we have done this one, and we no need this text, and we'll design this section later, just adding layout or designing the layout. So now we need to duplicate this one. Okay, so it looks good right now. Just changing the title and text, premium, price, pricing tag. Okay, purchase now in the same like previous, and we can add icon in the header icon, you can add this icon here, and also add icon right here, run icon, run. Okay, and I'm going to, this one looks okay, so we have to add padding right here. So we have done this this section also perfectly. Let me check in our home page. Looks good. Then we will add border, heading, padding, and others typography work. And now finally I want to add this section. So to add this section, I basically going to duplicate this section, then drag and drop the below right here, and add a different type of image. Going to download this image. So save as image, save as image. Now going to reflex this image, click here, replace, and I will upload this image and click on the insert media. Okay, now I need to change the text, contact us, then add this text. This one I know it, subtitle, and there is no need any button right now, so going to delete this button, delete. Also I have to add this vertical line in the default. Okay, now we need to add a contact from right here, so I'm going to click here and click on here to get all the add-ons and search in the type from contact from, then drag and drop here. Actually there is no from right now, we have to create a from, so I'm going to click on the update, then we will come back here after creating a from. So I'm going to my dashboard and going to add a new plugin, then type contract, just type contact, then we will find contact from 7 here, and going to click on the install now. And going to click on the active, then we will design a contact from right this, a name, phone, email. Okay, so we have activated the contact from. Now going to reload this page, then we can select the contact from here. We will find from the from list. Now going to click on here, then I will get the from here. I think let me add contact from here again, contact from 7, then drag and drop this right here, and going to delete the before from, contact from 1, we find this one, contact from 1, and here are from, and we can design, make, change anything from the from section. We can customize our from right here. So as I said, I'm not going to make it professional right now in this tutorials. I will do in the next tutorial, so I'm not going to fix this issue right now. I'm just adding settings or doing the layout design right now. In the next tutorial I will fix everything and show you how you can make your website more professional and looks like uh, any developer work. Okay, we have done this part. Now going to refresh. Okay, so we have next part is footer section, so it will be super easy, and this tutorial already become a large time, so I want to stop this tutorial or in this tutorial right here. In the next tutorial we will show how can add footer section and make everything clean up and looks like this landing page, make it more professional everything in Elementor without any coding skills. So I hope you will stay connected with me. You can subscribe to my channel to get next tutorial notification in your mobile or computer. So you have to type in the bell icon, so that you can get the notification when I upload the next tutorial. So if you are serious to want learn from me without any payment or any cost, then you can follow my channel. Thank you for your time to watch these tutorials. I hope you will enjoy